Hello everyone, we're out here at Potato Creek State Park camping in our cargo trailer conversion, and we wanted to bring you along so you can see what it's like to camp in a cargo trailer. So this is my son Hunter.
Hi.
And we're here camping tonight, and it's going to get pretty cold probably down around 30 tonight, but we've got electric hookup here, so we're going to use the electricity. And I'm going to use an electric heater, try that out instead of my Mr. Buddy, just because it's got a thermostat. I don't have to wake up in the middle of the night to turn it on and off. We're going to go for a bike ride, so come along with us.
What was that?
Acorns.
Oh, I have an idea what we can do. That we can you can have like a little split in the side and the middle, so you can see both of ours at the same time.
Oh, that'd be cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah, and then you can just see both of us when we look at each other. The screens will look at each other.
Is yours recording
Like
right
that's how
now?
our screens will look at each other.
Is yours on?
Yeah, mine's on.
Okay.
This is screen turned off.
Yep. Stay to the right.
This is so much fun! Look at that one. It's that little house.
Yeah?
Can I go there? The little house?
Yeah. What are you doing?
That's my house.
Is that your house? Nice. You think you could do that?
No.
I don't think you can. Let's see it.
Nope, nope, nope. No, we're not doing it. Nope.
Not doing it?
Can we change it? I'm hitting Freddy Fazbear.
Nice.
He died.
In just a few minutes, Jenny and Haley will be joining us for dinner. So we're gonna have some backstrap tonight, and we're gonna have some sweet potatoes and green beans. Just got the potatoes on.
Yep.
I know they work better thrown in the coals, but we don't have coals yet, and we're getting really hungry. So we're just gonna try them like this and see if it doesn't work. Yeah.
Be careful not to get pitchfork on fire.
Right. Alright, so we sous vide'd these back straps before we left. And I just put them in, they were still in their bags. So I put the bags in some warm water to get them heated up. So now what I'm doing is just drying off the juice from them. And then we're gonna sear them on this little grill. I should have put some olive oil on them. Yeah, got kind of black. I'm gonna help them out a little.
And some sweet potatoes.
Hunter, you like that steak?
Yeah. Can you shine the light next to it so I know what it looks like? That's good.
Is that good?
Look at how good that is.
Let me see. That looks perfect.
I know.
No, we just finished up dinner.
And we ate some s'mores.
And some s'mores. And we're in for the night.
I have to connect the internet.
And now it's movie time and bedtime. We got the Goonies on, which is requested by Hunter. Why do you like the Goonies?
Because it's funny.
Okay.
And they see a one-eyed person. Almost like Foxy.
Is that One Eye Willie?
Yeah.
Had a pretty good night's sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I thought the heater was going to shut off more for me because it had a thermostat built into it. But I think because the ground was so cold, it thought it was colder than what it was in here. So I had to get up in the middle of the night a couple times and adjust the heat. I think I'm gonna get going on some breakfast. We're gonna do some eggs and toast and sausage, and then we got some oranges too. This isn't the most healthy meal in the world, but it does taste good. Good, huh?
There's poking it.
So we survived the night, and it got pretty cold outside. I think it was around 28 degrees, but inside it stayed around 70. A little warmer than I like, but we got through it. So some of the benefits about this cargo trailer, some questions that I was wondering going into this is, would a state park allow me to pull in, with a trailer that I made? And yes, they didn't have any issues at all with it. So that's nice. And then two, would it be warm enough in the night with only the 1.5 inch insulation in the roof? No side insulation and no floor insulation. And it was really, really warm in there. What do you think?
I thought it was like pretty good. You know, like I thought it was pretty warm. I was able to get like a really good night's sleep. Like I felt like I was in my bed.
Yeah, that's awesome. So we're gonna go enjoy a little bit more of today. It's a really nice day outside. Me and Hunter are gonna go ride some bikes. There's a lake here. We're gonna go take a look at that. Come along for the ride.
Well, there is red area.
You wanna go ride red area?
Yeah. Go. But first we have to see that beach.
Yeah. So pretty. This is what it's like when Daddy's hunting. It's like this out here.
Hey, look, there's a rainbow.
Oh yeah.
Water.
That's cool.
When it's sunny next to lakes, there's usually rainbows in the water.
Well, I think that's it for this video. If you guys like it, please consider subscribing, share it to your friends, or like it.
Yeah.
Till next time.
See ya.
Look at what's on the ground. Someone left a iPhone 12s or 12 mini. I didn't know these things grew out here.